What's up, guys? It's finally here. It's Robinhood's IPO, and I went deep into the hood. So, for those of you who have not been following Robinhood, the stock has been going crazy since it IPO'd. So, on July 29, it went public for 34 bucks. And when it started on the first day of its trading, it went down 10%. So, it actually went down to like 34 from 39, 40 peak. So at that point, I was like, you know what? I like to invest in apps or companies that I use every day. So I decided to buy a few shares at 34. And I just held on to it, thinking it's a long-term play and Robinhood will eventually recover and maybe go crazy. So what happened next was like pretty much nobody expected is that Robinhood turned into a meme stock. So a lot of people went in on Robinhood. And yeah, just in the last few days, in August 3rd, it just, in 2 days, it went from 37 all the way to as high as 85. So that's more than two times the return in like 2 days. So people were like, what is going on with Robinhood? It's crazy. And then like all the FOMO and the day traders, they all piled in. And a lot of shorts got liquidated probably. So that's pretty much what happened. Robinhood squeezed as high as 85 that day. So what did we do? I had a few shares of Robinhood and not bad. I don't want to have too much risk with it. So I pretty much bought at 34 and then I sold at like 61. So that's not bad. That's almost 2 times the return. So that's $257 in profits. And then I had a day trade where I just scalped the stock at 62 and then it went to 67. So I just sold it right there for 50 bucks of profit. And as of right now, Robinhood it died down. Like yesterday, 2 days ago, it went down 20% in a single day. So that's because of the news that they were going to let insiders sell their stocks, over 98 million shares to be flooded to the market. So that's why the downwards pressure was assumed. So that's why people started selling in anticipation of that. But that did not happen yet because they need to seek regulatory approval. So that's why Robinhood went up over the past day, because people think that, hey, it's waiting for regulatory approval. Maybe they won't approve the sell. So that's why it went up a bit. So even as of right now, I kind of don't want to go anywhere near Robinhood, but I think that I do believe this is like a company that I trust in the long term. So I am looking at some of the options to try to sell some puts on it, try to collect some premium because the IV is extremely high right now. So there's like 183% IV right here. So the premiums are extremely nice on this stock. So at the money option, it's like $7, so $700 for at the money option. So it's setting up to be like another AMC or GME. So I am going to try to sell some puts that are a bit way out of the money, but I still wouldn't say this is way out of money, even though it's like $39 strike price, because Robinhood could fall like 20% in a single day. So it is a big risk when you try to sell these puts, but I think if you don't mind holding Robinhood for a long time at 30s, I think it's a good time to sell some of these puts right here due to this crazy high implied volatility, a lot of volume on these. So they will offer you great premium, for your positions. So yeah, that's the update on Robinhood, and that's my plan. So hopefully next week, depends on how Robinhood opens, I might sell some puts on it, maybe a week or two out. And as for the rest of our positions, we are doing pretty well. I rolled out my AMC puts. So I took profit on this puts. That was 7 days, $31 puts. So AMC closed at 33. So I closed it a bit early just so I can sell another puts for the next week at $29 strike price. So this is a nice strategy. So if you close early at 31, you want to like roll it out to another week, but at a lower strike price. So this gives you a lot more opportunity to be wrong and to have lower strike price, and at the same time to pocket in a really nice premium of 171. So as you can see, when I sold AMC originally, the IV was 177%. So this one is very similar. So you pocket like similar levels of IV and premium if you sell it like that. So I roll it out for another week for AMC. And what I'm holding now is plug. So plug, it killed the earning. It was great earning. The stock didn't react that well, so it actually went like all the way up after the earning to like 28 bucks per share. But then it started to drop like right after. So that's a great big shakeout. And including me, I sold a plug put when it was at 27.91, so like somewhere up here, almost 28. And then it just started dumping like all the way back to 25. So my plug is for 2 weeks out, actually, for $26 puts, and the premium is not that bad. It's like $64, but I fully believe that plug will eventually go back up due to its nice earning, and it will go like way above 26, hopefully in 10 trading days. And then the last position I have is QS, QuantumScape. It really sucks. This sucks. I mean, I don't even know what to do. Currently I'm only down 22 bucks, but this is for like $22 strike price, expiring in 2 weeks. I figure like, this stock is like, it was at over 100 bucks. Yeah, over 100 bucks when it squeezed up. But right now it seems like there's no volume and people are moving on to other stocks. So right now I'm just like, you know what? I'm risking $2,200 to see if I can pocket this $90 premium right here. It's not that bad, but I don't mind if I get a sign. I'm just going to turn around and sell cover calls. And then lastly, the thing I really want to look at is PLTR. So Palantir, I do have like long-term position in like 135 shares. I got assigned 100 shares at $22. So it's trading around at my assignment price. So I don't know what to do right now. I'm not sure. Like I can try to sell a cover call for next week for $22 at my strike price for $91 strike premium. That's pretty good. But I do think that Palantir might move further higher, like a bit higher next week, because of the, let's look at Palantir. It has earnings in 5 days. So depends on the action leading up to the earnings. Like if it pumps a little bit before the earning, I might go around just sell the shares. But if I do believe it's bullish earning, I might just sell a cover call that's like pretty way out of money, just to pocket on the premium, and then like to selling it above my strike price will be extra money profit. So yeah, that's something we got to watch out for. And yeah, that's pretty much all the positions we have. If you guys are interested, this spreadsheet is completely free, completely open to all of you. But if you'd like to follow my trade, whenever I make a new trade, I usually alert it in my Discord. So yeah, if you need that, that's $15 a month, and also you help support this app right here, TradeIV, that I'm using to help me trade, help me find news, and just have all the information I need in one screen. So highly recommend you check it out, TradeIV.com, completely free. So just sign in with your Google account and you'll have all of this at your fingertips. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.